Namaste guys, welcome to Handmade, my YouTube account. My name is Sunny. Today I'm gonna make a rainbow holographic lamp. So enjoy this video, and to support my channel, subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and the people who would love this lamp, and hit the bell icon to get notifications for my future projects. And now let's create. First, with little bit of maths, I got all the dimensions I need for this project. Then I needed a lot of wire, and the one that we get around here comes in a bulk coil, so I had to straighten it up and cut it to dimensions. For this lamp I took 20 straight wire pieces, and now here I'm gonna mark each of the wire pieces with a permanent marker so that I know from where to bend them. From each of the 20 wire cuts, I will make these two pyramids with a single base on a same side. Now I have 20 twin pyramids. Here I will join 5 of them to make a base and a cap of a lamp. To join them, I will use a thinner wire which I took out of wire mesh, and before I closed this lamp, I added a straight wire right in the middle to support this tiny ball that I made out of LED light strip. And this is how the lamp looks when I have all the 20 pyramids joined and LED light strip ball right in the middle. And I will also light it up and share how it looks. Now I have 2 colored film sheets and they are easy to apply. Just peel and stick them onto a surface. For this lamp, I'm using a blue colored film for the smaller the inner pyramids and a holographic film for the bigger pyramids. And in between each step, I will light it up and show you how it looks. And here is the gorgeous rainbow lamp. Guys, you can follow me on Instagram also at creativeheadhm. Do take care of yourself. I will see you guys soon. Love and light. Bye.